Hello, I'm Mihail Yachev, and today I will speak about why finding the right IoT solution is so important and what is an edge computing in regard to IoT. IoT is a topic of growing importance to the modern business, and it's very important to answer a simple question: how we could optimize the business. Let's compare an IoT solution to an ERP solution. An ERP solution consists of huge amount of options. Practically, it's a universe. And it is very important, based on the future plans, based on the company vision, to select the right ERP solution. We have the same situation with the IoT. If not properly selected from the beginning, we could not face the growing demand, we could not face the bigger needs, the multiplied number of connected devices. Imagine the business is growing and has more and more connected devices. And these connected devices need more and more data to be transmitted. And the data should be transmitted faster and faster. The right IoT solution should ensure a smooth transition without any negative impact. CN2W offers an out-of-the-box solution which is suitable for small to very big, huge companies, from few devices to millions of devices. Collecting the data from a lot of devices and analyzing this data in real time could cause latency issues in case the IoT solution is based on centralized data servers. For some businesses, like the hygiene industrial market, the speed is one of the most important things. And this is where the edge computing becomes relevant. Edge computing is a distributed architecture where the data is generated and analyzed closer to the source where it's been generated. Such could be an IoT device, a smartphone, laptop, computer, whatever which is connected to the internet. We are relying not only on the data centralized server, which could be located thousands of miles away from us, and that could cause latency issues. Edge computing enables faster and more comprehensive data process and analysis. It gives also faster response time and lower data consumption to a centralized data server or a cloud-based architecture. Let's think about devices that monitor the laundry process in a facility. If it is a single machine, then generating the data and transmitting it to the data servers, it's quite an easy job. The problem arises when hundreds of thousands of devices start to generate data. The huge number of connected devices generating huge amount of data cause latency issues and also lower quality of the provided information. Edge computing enables timely actions to control the washing workflows. If analytics determine that a washing machine is about to fail, an immediate action could be triggered to stop the machine. And this is why edge computing is so important. Speed is the key word. In conclusion, edge computing is an essential component of an IoT solution. And having in mind that in the industrial hygiene market, companies have lots of connected devices, this is what a company should think about when selecting the right IoT solution for their needs.